Hello, fifth graders. Today I'm going to show you how to take a spreadsheet like this, which has two columns and two sets of data. And we're going to, you made this for the first part of this assignment. And now what I want us to do is to add in some charts, some graphs, a double bar graph and a double line graph, just like we've been practicing. And luckily, Sheets makes that really, really easy. So we've got two columns, girls, boys, and we have three subjects, or three answers, the most ever, completely, and on a scale of 1 to 10, he's a 95, or 957.36312, and of course, this is very accurate data, because I know you guys all think I'm very awesome. So here's how we're going to do it. It's pretty simple. The first thing we need to do is we need to highlight the section we want to turn into a graph. Sheets won't just turn it in if I've just got one cell like this highlighted. I need to highlight the whole area. So I'm going to tap up here, and I'm going to grab this little corner down here, and I'm going to pull it so that I've got all my data highlighted in blue. So you can see the box is around all my data. Once that's done, it's very, very easy. You're just going to come up here to the plus button, and the plus, you're going to tap on the plus button, and then you're going to tap chart. We're going to make a chart. Now it's going to ask which kind of chart we want. And in fact, you can see the first thing it did is make a column chart, which is really a double bar graph. And you can see it even gives us the categories across the bottom. It gives us the numbers up the side, gives us a key up here, and that's really, really easy. So that's the first thing. Just take a screenshot of this and submit it to Schoology for the double bar graphs. But what if we want it to be a line graph? Well, that's up here. We can just change this to whatever kind we want. So you could actually have different kinds of bar graphs, different kinds of column graphs. And in this case, what we want is just a line graph. So we're going to just tap on line graph. And now you can see that our data has been turned into a double line graph. So very, very easy to make these. Screenshot this, turn it in. I want both a bar graph and a line graph for this assignment.